right? Things like apophrenia are powered
for analysis and psychodynamics, which originated with Sigmund Freud, which is the one aspect is the whole idea of the relationship between the subconscious and the conscious. So I find these areas intriguing in terms of when a person embodies music as a whole far more effectively. Here's one of the phenomena.
Let's talk about the physics of sound. Sound travels at 700 miles per hour.
You have to study physics. The collision of anime, organic or inorganic, right? This sort of encapsulates matter, non-matter, matter, non-matter, physical, non-physical, and things that propositions that illustrate the
different sorts of solipsism. One aspect of solipsism says that only the mind exists. I didn't have, right, I mean,